In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to TikTok Shop. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to connect CJ Dropshipping to a TikTok Shop, the first thing we must do is head over to CJ Dropshipping and just make sure you are logged into your account. From here, we can go to the top left corner and look for authorization, and then we can go down to TikTok Shop. Now, the process will be slightly different depending whether you're from Asia or the United States. If you are from Asia, we can stay on this section that says TikTok Shop, and we can just come over here and click Add Store. And then we can read this note and go ahead and click OK. And from there, you'll have to drop this down and then choose the location in which you're from. However, if you're from the United States, you'll have to come over to this section that says TikTok Shop US. And from here, we can do the same and just click Add Store. And from there, we can drop this down and we can choose United States. Now, unfortunately, if you're from Europe, as far as I'm aware, this is not actually possible, and Asian accounts. So unfortunately, it will not work if you're from Europe. So from there, you can click Next and Continue. And as you can see, because I'm from United Kingdom, it says this service does not exist in the current seller's market. However, if you're from Asia or the United States, you won't see this. You'll see a service list with CJ Dropshipping in it. After that, we can go back to CJ Dropshipping and look at our store list. And from there, we should be able to find our TikTok shops inside of our store list. And once you've seen that, you know that you've connected CJ Dropshipping to your TikTok shop. So that's how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your TikTok shop. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.